Welcome back to Throttle Vortex, the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro, where technology meets power. Like and subscribe for more powerful reviews. Standing as a monument to American muscle reimagined for a global stage, the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro arrives. With a starting estimated price of $42,000 for the core models, scaling up to $85,000 for the elite performance variants that challenge the European elite. This masterpiece of engineering boasts a premium exterior design that harmonizes raw aggression with sophisticated aerodynamic styling, featuring a sculpted wide body stance that slices through the atmosphere with surgical precision while maintaining the iconic silhouette that enthusiasts demand. As you step inside, the interior luxury welcomes you into a cockpit where seating comfort is paramount, utilizing high-grade Alcantara and ventilated leather that cushions the body through every high-G corner. The dashboard layout is a triumph of ergonomics, centered around a driver-centric infotainment system that integrates seamlessly with global satellite navigation and high-speed connectivity, ensuring that whether you are navigating the tight, historic city streets of London or the sun-drenched coastal roads of California, you remain in total control. Under the hood, the engine performance is nothing short of legendary, offering a choice between a refined, high-output turbocharged plant and a thunderous V8 that delivers heart-stopping speed and a visceral acceleration feel that pins you to your seat. This power is balanced by an innovative hybrid system on select trims, providing an impressive electric range for silent urban cruising and a combined fuel efficiency that respects the demands of modern long-distance travel routes. The driving comfort is elevated by an adaptive magnetic ride control system that transforms the car's personality instantly, making it as supple on a cross-continental highway journey as it is sharp on a professional racing circuit. Safety is never an afterthought, as the 2026 Camaro is armored with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance systems, including predictive braking, lane centering technology, and 360-degree thermal imaging to protect you in all environments. The overall driving experience is one of pure, unadulterated confidence, blending the soul of a classic pony car with the digital intelligence required for the future of global motoring. Whether you are accelerating onto the limitless stretches of the Autobahn or navigating the sophisticated avenues of Tokyo, the Camaro provides a premium feedback loop that makes the driver feel invincible. Every curve of the bodywork and every stitch in the cabin has been meticulously curated to project an image of success and power, making it a definitive choice for those who refuse to compromise on style or substance. The infotainment display provides real-time telemetry, allowing you to monitor every aspect of the vehicle's health and performance as you push the limits of what a modern sports car can achieve. As the sun sets over the horizon of a long-distance trek, the ambient lighting and premium sound system create an atmosphere of serene intensity, proving that the Camaro has evolved into a versatile grand tourer without losing its predatory edge. This is more than just a car. It is a global statement of intent, a vehicle that bridges the gap between traditional mechanical excellence and the cutting-edge digital frontier of 2026. From its menacing front splitter to the towering rear wing that provides immense downforce, the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro stands ready to dominate the roads of the world, offering a cinematic journey every time you press the start button and feel the earth shake beneath you.